in my young lady report. This is the plan to deal with those villages. We steal every year 10 trillion shillings plus in the government of the Ghana. This is going to be blocked. Nobody will steal that money. And this everybody will get 100 million per year for 5 years. I can assure you the money is there. But theft is a big problem. We have 72,000 villages in Uganda. All Bodaboda for 2 million shillings, and it will be paid in a period of 5 years. $150,000 per 1 kilometer. What is there in the road construction? Stones from Uganda. Water from Uganda. Labor from Uganda. The only difference is tar and the trucks. And those roads are not taxes. Those should be brought by government of Uganda so that our drivers can drive and make those roads less than $1,000. Roads constructed, even these roads we see from Namasale up to Dokoro, Namasale across Songora. These are roads which can be done within a certain time because of having money in the budget. These are multitudes in English, more money than an English teacher who taught him in English so that he can teach math in English. And that's why we were saying all teachers are teachers. Without teachers, the country will not be. Our teachers, if you went to him and asked him for his ATM, he will tell you his ATM will be a money lender. So they are living in credit and they have nothing for themselves. And those are the respected sector of people we should look at. So we're saying the teachers will be paid very good salary. They will have houses to sleep in. And they will have actual education from primary up to university for free. Our security organs, the police, the army, and the prison. The anger they apply to us is as a result of problems at home. So when he keeps saying, remember that at home there is no food. Our children are not going to school. So we are going to resolve that immediately by providing housing for security organs, security people, paying them good salary, and ensuring their kids will study for free from primary up to university.
Making Mukuni Parliament from Transfer Pressure Kitu, Oto Kitu, Abandon Private kena body ya keu dan wo ko le ya yi na mien.
That lake is not in Mount Elgon.
Go na medio ni petit pumishi Mount Elgon.
For us in Mount Elgon, they gave us a mountain which will have banana and a coffee.
Ini ikote pumishi ya kenu ke male wa ke mo.
For you, they gave me a lake. Go in you so that you can have fish. So you need to go and eat fish and get some and sell and put money in your pocket. So that your children can go to school. So that you can pay for medical bills. So that you can have a beer for yourself. So why should the security take you from your water? And that's what we want to answer by saying the lake will be managed by the robot and other big management committees. You will have the facilities to go and fish so that you have fish to eat and access to serve the people of Mount Elgon and also buy coffee every time you buy. We're going to grow our economy so that people have jobs. We're going to create jobs. The youth will have the jobs. Our mothers will have jobs. And we're going to invest this money in the productive sector which will create jobs. So in the process, we're going to reduce taxes from 100% to 5 to 10%. And this the money will be available to you instead of buying half a kilo of sugar, you'll be able to buy 2 kilos. And we need it to be better because we can't belong to our people. We're going to go to hospitals so that all hospitals are equipped with medicine, equipment, and health staff who are healthy. The health staff will be provided with accommodation and a good salary and also the children will be long-term education from primary up to university.